Hello, on behalf of the Unit of Education for the Environment and Sustainable Development in Cyprus, I will be presenting the activity called Energy Audit. I will walk you through the activity where students perform an energy audit, assess the energy consumption, propose ways to reduce it, and promote the culture of sustainability within their school community. To begin with, I would like to note the importance of this activity and what will the learners be able to develop by the end of it. By performing an environmental audit, for example, the proposed energy audit, it empowers students with real-world applications of science and math, fostering environmental awareness by connecting energy use to climate change. It develops critical thinking and problem-solving skills as students analyze data and propose solutions for energy waste. Furthermore, this hands-on activity promotes personal responsibility for sustainability, exposes students to potential green careers, and enhances their understanding of energy concepts, data analysis, and communication skills, ultimately empowering them to make a difference in their communities. It is suggested for 10-year-old students and older. This activity is based on scientific inquiry, students investigating, collecting, and recording data, comparing results, and presenting their findings. They are working in groups and they need to cooperate with the students of their class as well as the students from other classes to complete their assignments. In a nutshell, we propose the timeline approximately in 3 parts, 3 periods for the preparation for the audit, 2 periods for the fieldwork, and 1 period for the presentation for the preparation for a presentation. But the timeline for each school unit can be adjusted according to the data they will decide to collect. What is very important to have is a school map and, if possible, a diagram of the electrical installations. Of course, you will need the audit forms and any other measuring instruments depending on the type of data to be collected. As I said before, the activity has 4 major steps. Firstly, the students and the teachers are preparing for the audit. Then they implement the audit, they do the fieldwork. Afterwards, they process, analyze the data, and draw conclusions. Finally, they present their results and propose their solutions for energy efficiency. At the preparation stage, the formation of working groups is very important. We believe that there is a need for a leader group of teacher and students. For example, a group of students from an environmental club that will be coordinating the activity process. But all of the students, along with their teacher, are part of the school community and can be part of the energy audit. It is also suggested that a representative from the Parents Association, a representative from the school administration, and of the school maintenance employees should be part of this audit because of their role mostly for the implementation of the solutions that will be proposed. So, for example, the leader teacher forms the committees and retrieves the electricity bills from the previous year so that the students can make some comparisons. The leader students, on the other hand, are responsible for the implementation of the school's energy policy and to collect the data from the other students through their teacher in order to present the overall findings of the school unit at the school plenary. In the written activity, we explain in detail the administrative support for the teachers as well as the pedagogical support for the implementation of the activity. Here are some indicative questions for the teachers for promoting inquiry skills and help the students relate the fieldwork and the importance of the audit. Throughout the year, or depending on the timeline that each teacher has, the students collect their data on site in different parts of the school and on different time of the day. After the data collection, back in class, the students process their data using applications like Excel and analyze their results, comparing also the results from other groups. They draw conclusions based on their data in relation to infrastructure and the operation of their classroom, relating them to occupancy patterns, the lighting, heating and cooling, insulation, and any equipment is present in their classroom. At the same time, they present cases where there is a waste of energy and decide on its causes. Finally, There is a presentation with the disseminations of their findings. The students propose ways to save energy, giving examples of alternative habits and infrastructure changes which lead to a reduction in energy waste. They target improvements of specific areas. They highlight the cost savings and the environmental impact on their carbon footprint. Last but not least, they encourage all involved in the school community, students, administration staff, and teachers to adopt the energy-saving habits they propose. This is the link to the audit forms as we propose them, but adjustments can be made depending on the goals of every school unit. As a follow-up, students can extend their findings to the community. They can also perform an energy audit at home and propose energy-efficient practices to reduce the cost of electricity bill. There are many stories to share that present the best practices in relation to the use of and management of energy in the school unit. Here is an example from Cyprus. Thank you for your attention. For more information, you can find in the detailed materials on our website.